Hello and welcome back to K&F Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie. Today I'm going to be trying a pour and paint project, especially with this Dollar Tree brand here. So we'll see how that works. And typically you use a flat surface like a canvas to do a pour and paint, but I'm going to be trying something different, so no canvas for us. So let's dig in and see what supplies I use and what surface I'm actually going to be paint and pouring on and how well it will stick on it. With that, let's get into the supplies. So I am going to be doing my pour and paint on this cute little elephant that I got from Dollar Tree. It is a ceramic with a glaze on it, and this is just a plastic lid that I'm going to put him on, so then I can move him around and put him off to the side to dry when we're done. I am going to start with the bottom first, do my pouring here, try not to get too much in this hole, and then I'll finish with the top, and that way make sure I get in to all those crevices. So I decided to try the pouring medium from Dollar Tree. So we'll see how it turns out. I did notice yesterday that apparently it has an expiration date and it's already expired even though I just bought it. So we'll also see how that goes. So if you are buying this, make sure you check the date on that. And then I think I'm going to go for like a blue and gold mix. So here are I'm just doing apple barrel paints as my colors, so I'll do that one. I might do a little bit of this teal, and then I wanted a dark blue. Might add a little bit more black to darken this, but I might not. We'll see. And then of course I'm going to use just a nice white. And then I actually, for my gold, it's a faux art, so I'll use that one as well. And then I actually picked up a while ago these mixing tool sets from Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to use these to mix some of my paints. And I just had a couple of these little Dixie cups I'm going to mix my paint in, but you can do anything you want. I believe it doesn't actually tell me a ratio, but it does say it'll leave it shiny. I've heard most of them are about a 1 to 3 part ratio, so I'm not going to actually be too specific with my measurements. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I've also heard that it's supposed to make it more liquidy, but for some reason this one tends to make the paint thicker. But it seems like it still works like regular pouring mediums when it's done and has a nice shiny coat after, so we'll give it a shot.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Here is a beautiful little elephant. I went ahead and did a clear spray paint on it just to make it shiny. I think I just needed to use a little bit more of my paint and pours to keep it shiny. I also wanted to do a spray of a protective coat just because this is a ceramic and I didn't want it to easily scratch off of it. So now you can scratch it and it'll keep the paint. I really like how it turned out. The gold was kind of hard to see, so I'm glad I went back in and added some spots of gold. And I think next time I'd either add more gold or just wait and do it in the end like I did here. So I hope this got you excited to try some paint and pouring, whether it is just a canvas or other surfaces like this. I look forward to seeing how yours come out. I had fun crafting with you, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.